those friends who are celebrating their birthdays this week.
Yes.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Yes. Let's start Days of the Week song.
Yes.
To do that, what do we require, Rekha?
Pointer.
Yes, our musical pointer. Come, you're going to show us. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Ziba, can you tell me what day is today? Today is Thursday. 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 Today is Thursday. So, what was yesterday, Vibha?
Yesterday was
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay. Today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Friday. So, all of you complete your calendar activity. Okay, children? Yes. So, Vibha, let's do some warm-up exercise.
Yes.
Since this month we are learning lots of fine motor skills, let's do some fine motor exercises.
Children, now let's start doing some hand exercises. These exercises will help us to write better and strengthen our finger muscles and muscles which is there in our palm, and it is exercises for our wrist. So you can write easily after doing these exercises. Now rub your palm gently until you feel the heat. Now wiggle your fingers. Wiggle. Now clap your hands gently. And now fold the fingers one by one and slowly open it. Let's do it one more time. One by one fold it and open. Now rub. Yes, do the same way as I'm showing here. Just rub. And now touch the tip of the fingers from right hand to left hand. Yes, just like this. Now shake your thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger. This is going to be a little difficult. And finally, small finger. Wiggle it all of them. Now, the sides of your hand. Now, the edges. Gently tap them. The sides. Rub it. Now, do the same way as I'm showing now. Yes. Now, press the hands, fingers and twist the wrist. opposite side. Yes, up, down, up, down. Yes. Now, do namaste and rub one more time. Do you feel the heat, children? Yes. Children, by doing these exercises, you will strengthen your finger muscles and the muscles which is there in your palm also, and it will help you to write smoothly without getting any pain.
Keep practicing this. Okay, so let's start with the activity. What activity we are going to do? Keep thinking. Let's start. Okay?
Children, let's do color mixing activity. I'm sure you're gonna like it very much. Color the first and second circle using color codes and mix them for the result. Before that, don't forget to write the date and name. First, as shown in this worksheet, let's select two colors, that is red. Color it one circle in the red and the second one with a blue. Now mix both the colors, that is blue and orange, together and let's see what color we are going to get. It is purple. Now let's move on to the next one. Take the blue, circle the first circle and yellow for the second one. Now mix blue and yellow. Yes, what color it is? It is green. Now let's take the next one. First circle, color it yellow. And the next one, red. Now let's see if we mix both together, what color we are going to get. What do you see, children? Yes, it is orange. That was very fun, isn't it, children? When you mix red and blue, you will get purple color. And when you mix blue and yellow, you will get green color. When you mix yellow and red, the result will be orange. Now children, let's do the same activity with a different method using things available from our home. Okay, you need a bowl and a glass of water, colors. So let's start. So to start with, pour the water and take the colors as shown in the worksheet. Take the red and blue. Take a small quantity of color and mix it in the water. Now, yes, what color did you get? It's purple. When you mix red and blue, you will get purple color. Now throw this water away and fill the water again. Now let's mix yellow and blue. Mix it thoroughly. What color did you get, children? It's green. Now clean the bowl one more time to make use for the next color mixing activity. Pour the water. Now take red and yellow. Take the small quantity from the brush and mix it both together. Which color did you get? Orange. Yes, children, did you find this activity interesting and fun? I am sure you really liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video.